To celebrate the millennium, this bell tower was built as part of a redevelopment of Barrack Square. It contains 12 bells from St Martin in the Fields in the centre of London. They were cast in the early 18th century and rang to celebrate the return of Captain Cook on his voyage of discovery to Australia. Now, one of the earliest jetties in the colony was here at the bottom of Barrack Street. A jetty is a protrusion into the water that enables boats to moor up so that they can take on and offload both cargo and people. In more recent times, Barrack Square was developed, and then the river has changed its profile considerably in the last 100 years with the reclamation of land and the creation of public open spaces. More recently, the development of the bell tower and Elizabeth Quay. See if you can find some old photographs of the area in which you live and compare them to the place you know now and see how it has changed over time.